Grab it.
Yay! Dad, I don't know how to walk backwards. Caleb, what are you doing? Bonk. Bonk.
He says,
No.
why did I try to go?
Yeah, you want to look at it? Here.
Mom, can I try to go?
No.
Why?
You're gonna just push it? Yeah, you can push it around?
Mom, why can I try it?
Because Caleb is.
I push.
You like that, buddy? Say thank you, Nana, Papa. Get going. Say thank you.
I'll show you how to.
Can you say bye-bye? Hold on, Adam. Caleb. Say no. Hey, Caleb. Caleb.
Looks like it's not on tight enough.
It is.
Except it's coming off.
Caleb, say bye-bye. Show mommy, say bye-bye. No, not gonna do it. Can you sign milk? Hi, baby. Hi. Da. Da.
Baba, can I try it? Baba, I'll just follow it. Baba.
Oh, I'm not fast enough.
Baba,